There is a way that you can score a 5 every time on your TOEFL IBT writing question number 2, writing for an academic discussion. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step what you need to do to earn that score. Let's get into it. Outline for earning a score of 4 or 5 on your TOEFL writing question number 2. Number 1, read the professor's comment with these 2 questions in mind. What is the topic and what is the professor saying about the topic? Number 2, quickly read the 2 students' responses and choose the one that you agree with most. It doesn't matter which one you choose. Number 3, begin writing by stating which student's response you agree with, addressing the student by name and paraphrasing their idea. Number 4, add your own example to the student's response followed by a related detail. Be sure to use the words "for example" in your sentence to tell the AI that you are giving an example. Number 5, follow your detail with a sentence that begins with "on the other hand, I think." And number 6, in this part of your response, you must give your own position on the topic. Number 7, support your position with an example and use the word example to tell the AI that you are giving an example. Number 8, provide related details that support your example. Number 9, finally, end your response with a conclusion statement that restates your original position, including related details, and ending with restating your own idea. A strong response will have 125 to 150 words. Now let's take a look at a sample question that I've done on the ETS website so that you can see how to structure your response and earn the score of 5 on your writing question number 2. Take a look. All right, you can pause the video here and read the response that I've given to this question. If you're interested in seeing more of these questions, click the link in the video or in the description below. Now, as you can see, this essay did score a 5.0. Earning a high score in the TOEFL IBT is not as difficult as it may seem. What they require is that you do exactly what they want you to do for every question type. If you're tired of wasting time and you want to earn a high score or respectable passing score on your TOEFL IBT and get on with living a successful life, come and see me at my online TOEFL course so I can show you step by step exactly how to write your essays, exactly how to answer speaking questions, exactly how to answer listening and reading questions in a relatively short time so that you can pass your TOEFL IBT and get on with your life. Take a look at the link below, and the links will also be in the description. All right, I hope to see you in my course.